So we're working here on this Pioneer CLD V2800 Laserdisc Player, and we found that it was working, but it was making a huge, horrible screeching noise. Sounded like it was about to explode or something. So I took the lid off to try to find out what was going on, and right out of the gate, if you can see those, apparently somehow the top was creating too much pressure. And let's see if I can do it with one hand here. You can see some damage, some dents. I'm going to do some cleaning, some testing, see if that's all that was. Sometimes simple little fixes like that. Over here we got a V870. This one, the front tray doesn't want to open, so we have to find out what's going on with that one too. Okay, so we cleaned the inside, we put it all back together. I banged out some of those dents. Now they're dented outwards. I still got to clean this on the exterior. But we ran it several times without the lid, and it was fine. So now we want to see if, after putting it all back together, that horrible noise it had before went away. And it did. All you can hear is just a regular spinning. So never be too afraid to play, especially if something's already considered to be bad. Go ahead and play with it. You might be able to fix it. So now it's gone from being worth, $30 to $80.